Hey there everyone, welcome to episode 1032 of the Mike from Maine show, the place where we do daily interviews with successful online entrepreneurs. This is your host, Mike Thomas, and today on the show we have Radu Hayhayanu on, and we're going to be talking about a cloud-based video creation tool that you can use to create videos in 60 seconds or less. This is something that is going to be useful for people who are sick of complicated video softwares. They just want something cheap and easy to use. Let's get into it. Here's Radu. We are here today with Radu Hayhayanu. Radu, welcome back to the show.
Hey Mike, I'm happy to be back.
Radu, today we're going to be talking about a unique video creation software that works inside of the cloud. I'm going to go ahead and read off the headline for the sales page. You can bring us right into this. It says here, hate wasting hours creating videos or spending thousands outsourcing them just to find out they never bring in traffic and sales. Finally cracked. New breakthrough cloud app creates high converting videos in 60 seconds or less. Easiest to use, most affordable video builder ever. So bring us into this, Radu. What's this all about and why should we be excited?
All right, so everybody already knows that they have to be in video marketing if they want to take their internet business to the next level. That's because videos, they convert better than anything else out there in the online space. Now, the problem with that is creating videos is either expensive. If you're trying to outsource it to somebody else, it could cost you between hundreds to thousands of dollars. Or it's time consuming on your end if you try to do it yourself. You can buy one of those video builders, but then you have to download it to your computer, make sure that it runs properly. And then there's a learning curve with all of those. You have to spend hours figuring it out, putting the video together and all of that. So Cloud Create, my brand new software, aims to solve those issues for the casual user, so for basically everybody out there who needs a video created fast without spending a lot of money and without spending a lot of time. How are we dealing with this? Number one, we're making Cloud Create a fully cloud-based software. So all you have to do is literally open up your browser and you're good to go. Within a minute, you can have a full video created and downloaded to your computer. Number two, we're making it extremely easy for anybody to use it. So there's absolutely no learning curve. We have built-in animations, ready-made templates. So really you just pick one of the templates that we provide, you add your own text and images, you click export and you have a video. And finally, number three is we're the most affordable video builder out there. So our starting price, our early bird price is about 3 times cheaper than the average video builder out there. So we have simplicity, ease of use, we're fast and we're also affordable. That's what, the full package of Cloud Create aims to be for the users.
I know a lot of times when these video softwares come out, they're really powerful and they do a lot of great stuff. There's tons of great softwares out there, but you're right. Once you try to go in there and start using it and use all the features inside of it, you just get lost and you end up not being able to do anything because it's too complicated. I believe you've got Todd Gross doing your sales video for this, and it's interesting. Todd is kind of the normal user out there where when he tries to use the software, he's not very tech savvy, and he just kind of sits down there, and if he can use it, then I know that then I can use it as well. As far as who you made this for, what kind of videos will this create? Is this for local marketers, internet marketers, Facebook marketers? Who's going to get the most out of this?
So we have about 25 different done-for-you templates, over 100 plus different animations. So we have niche-specific templates that would work for local marketers, for offline businesses like weight loss, doctors, stuff like that. But we also have a lot of generic templates that can be adapted to literally anything. So affiliate products, online sales videos, explainer videos, all of sorts. So we're flexible in that regard.
Cool. Okay. Now let's take a look Radu, bring us inside.
Sure.
Show us under the hood. I want to see exactly how this works. And I know since it's an online software and we're using our internet connections, it might go a little slower than normal because we're already using a lot of bandwidth. But with that in mind, show us as much as you can.
Right, yeah. So I'm going to do just that. Can you see the screen right here?
Yes.
Right, so as you mentioned, because we're doing a live video between you and me, and then I'm also doing video editing in my browser at the same time, the software might work a little bit slower than it does in reality. In reality, it's super fast. So what I'm doing right here is I literally just opened up my browser and logged inside Cloud Create. So obviously this will work with any computer, any operating system, as long as you have a working browser. As soon as you log in, you get to take a look at our different templates. Now, as I said, we have a few niche-specific ones, so pet nutrition. But then we also have templates that can be adapted to virtually any sort of product, for any sort of reason. This one, sliding text. We have someone with animal animations, sale banners that, Black Friday sale offer, stuff like that. There you go. Those text-based ones, again, they're super generic. You can literally use them for anything. And you can mix and match as well. So I can pick just 2 of those from here, go to a different template, add them as well. Or I can add all of them at once. So let me go ahead, pick a template. Let's just go with this one. And I can click Add. It adds the slides. Now, if I want to add more animations and stuff like that, I click Add. And then I can go through different other templates and see what else I want to add. Now, I can see the animation for specific slides as I click on them. And then I can edit the text. You see, just click on the button, or no, click on the text box, and then I can edit the text right here. So, and it shows, whatever I'm writing right now. I'm happy to be live on the Mike from Maine show. So
we're happy to have you here.
Whatever you write is going to show, and then if you click play, it's going to run the animation in a second. It just takes a little while, and then show you how it's going to look like. Let me see. Oh, there you go. So there you go. Whatever your text you want to write, it's going to work. It's going to show you the animation, and then obviously you can move on. There's different slides that allow you to add images, logos, banners, stuff like that. If I clicked right here, it would let me upload an image from my computer, but I can also add images from Pixabay based on my keywords. I'll just type in SEO.
And those are all free images that you can put in there and not have to worry about copyright or anything.
Right, exactly, you're right. So I can just pick one. There you go. You saw how fast it was adding it to the slide, to the animation. And then obviously I can preview the video once I'm happy with the result. It shows me, the changes I've made and then how the animations look like to, if I were to export it right now. Next up, I can also tweak the colors here. So let me go to one of these. So if I clicked on here, for instance, I can change the color. So I can make this something else. I'm not sure if...
I didn't know you can actually change the colors on it as well.
Yeah, you can. It's just it's misbehaving a little bit because it's on a live video, as you said it. So it's not really letting me right now.
But normally it does.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I can see it. It's changing a little bit there. So it's like there's
a little bit, yeah, a little bit. Right, so it gives you this customization, but really only if you want to. I mean, most people won't want to tweak with the colors that we picked and the settings that we have created right here. The whole idea of Cloud Create actually is to just go with the done-for-you animations, go with the ready-made templates, just edit your text, add your images, your graphics, whatever, and then you can export it and use it in your projects. Now we also have voiceovers, so you can actually record a voiceover while the video is playing live inside Cloud Create. So if you go right here and click record, so what it does is that it starts the video, and then as I speak, it also records my voice, and it will add it to the final product. And then finally, you can also add background music. So if you don't want to go with one of the, to do your own voiceover, you can obviously add background music. Now you can upload your own, or you can pick from our library of different background music. Now you see there's none right here, but tomorrow at live, we're going to have a bunch of those available for customers to pick from. So literally, we're taking care of everything for you, ready-made templates, done for your animations, done for your music backgrounds. And if you want voiceover in your video, you can record or upload it too. Now, once you're happy with the result, you just click export. It's going to export the video. Now, I'm not sure if this will work while we're doing a live video, but I clicked it and it's already processing it. And you see it's running super fast. Even while we're recording a live video on Skype, I'm showing my webcam. I have my computer's fan running at full speed, but it's still working in my browser. It's super fast. It's almost at 50%. I'm sure you're doing a lot of interviews.
It's going so fast, Radu, that I hear sirens in the background.
So I'm sure that you're doing a lot of videos. You're doing a lot of rendering. So you know that rendering videos usually takes minutes. And this is happening in seconds as you're looking at the screen.
When I usually render something, Radu, I have a really fast $5,000 computer, and when I have it going, my computer heats up really, really hot, and it slows everything down on my computer when I'm doing it, because it's a big job there. So I'm surprised that it's even done it this fast on the cloud.
Right, yeah, exactly. So it actually worked. It actually rendered my video. I can click download and it will download it to my computer, and that's it. We're good to go.
And now you can take that video, you can upload it to YouTube if you want to. You can put it on Vimeo, you can put it on Wistia, you can put it on wherever you want to put your video. You now have the rights to use that for yourself, right?
Right, exactly, for yourself. Yes, for your own project, your own website, your own marketing effort.
Can you bring us back to the templates? I want to look at those again.
Sure.
The different options there.
Okay. Should I just click for them for the different?
Yeah, I just wanted to kind of see what they are. Like you've got weight gain, weight loss. You've got. I just want to see what the different niches are and how you've done this here. So that one's okay. That one looks like it's fitness. That's kind of cool. You've got the person doing little animations there for that.
Right.
Here's the doctor, I think, or is that the doctor office one, or is that the there's the doctor one. Yeah. I mean, I could see people making quick little videos for if they've got a doctor's office. Right. We'll talk about it in a second. I know there's a developer's license as an upgrade, and we'll talk about that in a second. But if they pick up that upgrade, they could do it for clients. And this looks like a little bit more of a generic one there.
Right. Yeah, I'm walking you through all of them.
How many are included? Let's talk about the front end offer here. Everything you've showed us so far, is that all included on the front end offer that people see on the sales page?
Yes. So 25 different templates, 100+ different animations, all on the front end. And as you mentioned, it's only for personal use. So if you only get the front end, you can only use it for yourself, basically in your own business, or for your own website and stuff like that.
Okay, so if you've got a local business or you're doing internet marketing and stuff, and you want to use it for yourself, you can use it for your own business. Are there any limitations on how many videos you can create on the front end?
No, none. You can go ahead and create as many as you want to. There's no limitation in that regard.
Wow. Okay, so you can go out there and create videos for yourself. Now let's talk about the first OTO, because I think that's when things start to get really exciting.
Yeah. So the Pro version gives you developers rights, developers license, which basically means you can create those videos for other people, for offline businesses as a service on places like Fiverr or Upwork, stuff like that. You can actually go out there and sell videos or create them as a service. So that's really powerful.
And I think that people
next
can
up,
build.
yeah.
1 second, Radu. I think people, when I see developer licenses for things like this, I think that it's a huge opportunity, especially when you can build these videos so quickly. You could offer cheap video services and differentiate yourself from everyone else out there, and people will be like, "Oh wow, this guy's offering for really cheap." But I mean, it's going to take you like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to take the customer. Maybe a customer has an image that they want to add into it, and you write out a little bit of like some text for it. Or you can even have them give you the text. You could say, hey, okay, you just give me the text that you want to put in. I'll put it in there, and I'll create a professional video for you for $5, $10, $15. You could build a client base out of this and have a little side income. I mean, you're probably not going to make $1 million from it, but it could be some extra spending money.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, your competition is probably charging hundreds of dollars to create those videos for customers. If you go in and, as you said, you only charge 15, 20 bucks per video, you're going to get a lot of people grabbing your service.
Cool. Okay, so that's the first OTO. It's a developer's license. Anything else in that first OTO?
Yes, we also have a sharing feature. So you've seen me export the video, and then I was given the ability to download it to my computer. Well, if you get the Pro upgrade, you also have the option to share it once it's exported to over 200 different social media sites. So if you want it published all over the web, you have that option. So we're skipping another step in the process of creating your video and then publishing it. By, you don't even have to download it to your computer and then log into YouTube or log into Facebook and post it there. You just click a button and it's sent automatically. And we have, as I mentioned, over 200 of those. So we're not just limiting to the big ones, but we're giving you plenty of options to drive traffic to those videos once they're created. Now we're also giving you another 8 ready-made templates and another 30 plus premium animations. So this is done so that you don't keep using the same templates over and over again, but you have different options as you create more and more videos to always have that fresh look to your creations.
Very cool. And I mean, this could have been this product with those kind of features. This could have been a traffic product here, like a video traffic product, where it's all about getting. I mean, you create these little videos quickly and you share them out there, and you create a bunch of them, especially if you're sharing them as well. I mean, you could also upload them on YouTube and all these other different websites, and be able. I mean, one video is not going to bring you a ton of traffic, but if you do a lot of them, then that traffic will trickle in, especially if you're doing it in a particular niche. It's just a lot easier to rank and a lot easier to get traffic when you're creating a ton of them and you're doing it really quickly there. So okay, so that's the first OTO. OTO 2?
OTO 2 is $67 per year, and it gives you monthly templates and monthly animations. Again, with the goal that every time you create videos, they're fresh, they're unique, they don't look like all the others because you have to use the same templates over and over again. So this ensures that you're going to get fresh new templates, 5 templates per month done for you, 20 plus animations done for you. They're automatically uploaded every month inside your Cloud Create account, and I really think that this should be enough for the average user going in and creating videos to don't have to use the same templates over and over again, but always have a fresh new one that they can create videos from.
Cool. Okay, so that's the OTO 2 there. Is there one more OTO?
Yeah, there's one more OTO, but as part of OTO 2, we're also giving you early access to WebVid and all of its upgrades. Now, WebVid is our other video creation software that lets you turn website links, articles, pages, posts, stuff like that into video. So if you have websites that have old content that you're not really using a lot, or on the contrary, if you're getting a lot of traffic but it's only content based and you want to go into videos as well. And you can use those articles, you can use those links, pages, posts, and turn them into videos with Webby Vid. So you're also getting that.
You also get that included in there. Cool. Okay.
Yeah. And finally, OTO free. Yeah. OTO free is reseller's license, which gives you the ability to sell Cloud Create as your own and keep all of the profits as soon as the official launch period ends. You can go out there, sell it for yourself. You keep all the profits. We handle delivery, we handle support, and we do all the marketing for you as well.
Awesome. Radu, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
No, I think we covered everything. Cloud Create goes live tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern with a very special early bird. It's going to be only $4.93, which is incredibly affordable, especially compared to other video creation solutions out there.
Awesome. Again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you, Mike.
I hope you enjoyed the interview today with Radu. If you are interested in picking up Cloud Create at its lowest price, you're going to want to come back tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, January 23rd. You're going to be able to grab it at its lowest early bird discounted price along with my special bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.